Hello everybody and welcome back to Turning Tuesday. This week I need to convert these two casters into wooden pulleys so that I can lower the blackboard that I'm making in a separate series, link is in the description. I can lower it down safely, securely, and yeah, it should be a very quick and simple project, but it should be a fun one as well. So let's get going. As I said, I need to make two of these things, and what I'm aiming to do with this is replace this wheel with a larger wooden one because I've got quite a bit of clearance underneath here, so I can get a larger diameter in there, and I also need to get some sort of like V-groove or just some sort of groove to hold the cord that's going to be holding the blackboard. This V-groove will obviously prevent the blackboard from falling out of the pulley due to sideways pressure or whatever. So I need to get these out. And it doesn't look like I have got the right size spanner. Yay! Yeah, that's close enough. So let's have a look at how big we actually need to make this pulley. 20 millimeters thick. And then in terms of diameter, make it 110 in diameter. So I've just dug out this rather bland bit of ash that's definitely not going to be used for anything. It looks pretty boring, to be honest. And this is 45 millimeters in thickness, which means when I halve it, give or take the curve of the bandsaw blade, I should end up with around 21 millimeters. And then I should be able to thickness that last bit off, I reckon. So, seems like a good material. Let's get resawing it. So I think what I'm going to do with these is mount them on the screw chuck and then take down that diameter so it's actually round, put the groove in it. That's pretty much it by that point. It's a very short Turning Tuesday this, isn't it? Fortunately, the thread is pretty much the same size as the washer that will be sitting within the wheel. So yeah, it's ideal really, isn't it? It's ideal. Right, and there we go, that's it for Turning Tuesday this week. I do apologise it was a little bit of a short one, but as I said, this is part of a bigger project, a pretty fun project at that. And if you want to see where these will actually be used, then follow the link to the video in the description. As I said, it's like this big mechanism that's going to lower a blackboard down so I can do all my demonstrations on it, rather than just scribbling rubbish on bits of paper. Should be a little bit more formal, a little bit more fun, and I'm hesitant to say more professional, but let's go with it. So, as always, thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked it, then don't forget to press the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.